Thinking about buying from Blanket Boom in 2026? Hold on, let me save you a headache. There's been a flood of reviews and warnings from shoppers this year, so I've dug deep into real customer experiences to get you the facts. Here's what you need to know. First, those cozy, queen-sized blankets you see in Blanket Boom's ads? Total illusion. Most buyers report getting something that's barely throw-sized and thinner than a beach towel. Plush? Try paper thin. Even if you do get a shipment, it could take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks, or never show up at all. Lots of people get fake tracking numbers, and when they reach out to customer service, it's just crickets. Returned items? Good luck. The company often makes you ship things back overseas, usually Hong Kong or Spain, and the shipping fees are so high, you'd lose more money than you'd get back. And here's the kicker. Blanket Boom has been caught using photos stolen from honest Etsy and Ravelry creators. What you get is nothing like the hand-knitted beauty you saw in the ad. So, what should you do instead? If you want a quality blanket without the drama, check out The Blanket Box, American Blanket Company, or Big Blanket Co. They all have solid reputations, verified reviews, and actual customer service that won't ghost you. Final tip: always pay with a credit card or PayPal so you can get your money back if things go sideways. Don't fall for the hype. Take care of yourself and your wallet before clicking buy now. Subtitles. Is Blanket Boom a total scam? 2026. Buyer's Guide exposes everything.